cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel for a new video. If you're new, my name is Macy. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing first impressions video for you guys on some earrings that I ordered from Kate Spade during the Black Friday sale. So this is just going to be a very quick video. I'm going to try to get straight to the point. If you are interested in these earrings, I will try to leave the link down in the description box so you can check them out. Also, check out my other videos, my other unboxing videos that I did that showed you guys my bags, my handbags. So let's just go ahead and get straight into it. So the packaging is very, very simple. They did not go all out like they did with the bags. This is just earrings, so I'm just assuming that, you know, there's really no need to be too fancy with the packaging. If you are new to my channel, I love pink. Pink is like the best color to me ever. I have a pink wall here, as you guys can see. So yeah, this is the packaging. And then here are the earrings. Of course, not the earrings, but this is the bag that the earrings are in. So yeah, nothing too fancy. Okay, everyone, so now that they are out of that pink bag, I can kind of show you guys how they look up close. So as you guys can see, they are little. They're not very heavy at all. They're very lightweight, and they do look a little bit smaller than they do on the website, and that just could be they enlarge things so you can see the full details. But to give you guys a true representation of them, they are very little. As you guys can see, the retail value is $68. I did not pay that. And yeah, so this is how they look. I went ahead on, and I'm doing this with one hand. So let's see. So yeah, here is the detail of it. Okay, and that's my son in the background. And it just snaps very easy. Come on in. Kaden, come on in. So what I was saying is that they just easily snap. Yeah, very, very simple. Very, very light, you guys. Like, so light. But yep, this is it. These are the earrings. So I will try to leave the link to them down in the description box if you guys are interested in checking them out. Also, make sure you guys check out my other Kate Spade unboxing videos that I have posted. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Cheers.